Red-necked phalarope. The red-necked phalarope, with its distinctive foraging behavior and striking breeding plumage, is a fascinating bird that graces the Arctic tundra and the open seas. Known for its reversed sexual dimorphism and remarkable migratory journeys, this small vader captivates birdwatchers and ornithologists alike. Physical characteristics. Red-necked phalaropes are small shorebirds, measuring about 18 to 19 centimeters in length and weighing around 30 to 50 grams. During the breeding season, females are more brightly colored than males, exhibiting a striking combination of gray and white plumage with a reddish-orange neck and chest. Males are more subdued, with gray and white plumage and a less pronounced red neck. This reversal of traditional sexual dimorphism is unusual among birds and reflects the unique breeding roles of phalaropes. Outside of the breeding season, both sexes adopt a more subdued non-breeding plumage, primarily gray and white, which provides better camouflage in their pelagic wintering habitats. Their slender, needle-like bills are perfectly adapted for picking small aquatic invertebrates from the water's surface. Habitat and distribution. Red-necked phalaropes breed in the Arctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia, preferring wet tundra habitats with shallow pools and marshes. They are well adapted to the harsh conditions of the Arctic, with behaviors and physical adaptations that allow them to thrive in this environment. During the non-breeding season, red-necked phalaropes migrate to tropical and subtropical oceans, where they are pelagic, spending most of their time on the open sea. They are often found in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, sometimes far from land. Their choice of wintering habitats is driven by the availability of food resources. In the ocean, they are typically found in areas with upwellings or convergence zones, where nutrient-rich waters support abundant populations of plankton and other small marine organisms. Diet and foraging behavior. Red-necked phalaropes have a unique foraging behavior known as spinning, which sets them apart from other shorebirds. While foraging, they swim in small, rapid circles, creating a vortex that brings small aquatic invertebrates to the surface. They then pick these prey items off the water with their slender bills. This behavior is highly efficient and allows them to exploit food resources that other birds cannot access. Their diet consists mainly of small crustaceans, insects, and other invertebrates. During the breeding season, they feed on a variety of aquatic and terrestrial invertebrates found in the Arctic tundra. In their pelagic wintering habitats, they primarily consume zooplankton, including copepods and other small crustaceans. The ability to feed while floating on the water's surface is a unique adaptation that allows red-necked phalaropes to take advantage of different ecological niches throughout the year. This foraging strategy also reduces competition with other shorebirds that feed by probing the mud or sand. Breeding and reproduction. Breeding season for red-necked phalaropes occurs during the short Arctic summer. Females arrive first at the breeding grounds and establish territories, competing with each other for mates. Once a pair bond is formed, the female lays a clutch of 3 to 4 eggs in a shallow scrape lined with grass and moss. The male continues to protect and guide them until they are fully fledged, which usually takes about 18 to 20 days. This role reversal in parental care is unusual among birds and is a key feature of the breeding biology of phalaropes. The timing of breeding is closely synchronized with the peak availability of food resources in the Arctic tundra. The abundance of insects and other invertebrates during the summer provides the necessary energy for the growth and development of the chicks. Vocalizations and communication. The vocalizations of red-necked phalaropes include a variety of soft calls and whistles, used for communication between mates and signaling during foraging and migration. These calls are often heard during the breeding season when birds are establishing territories and attracting mates. In addition to vocal signals, red-necked phalaropes use visual displays and body language to communicate. During courtship, females perform a series of displays that include swimming around the male, raising their wings, and performing short flights. These displays help to strengthen the pair bond and coordinate breeding activities. Red-necked phalaropes are known for their remarkable migratory journeys, which take them from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to their wintering habitats in tropical and subtropical oceans. These migrations can cover thousands of kilometers and involve crossing vast stretches of open ocean. During migration, red-necked phalaropes are often seen in large flocks, taking advantage of favorable wind patterns and ocean currents to aid their journey. They are capable of sustained flight over long distances, and their ability to feed on the wing allows them to maintain their energy levels during these extensive migrations. The migratory behavior of red-necked phalaropes is driven by the need to exploit different food resources and avoid harsh weather conditions.